How to add TikTok link to Facebook profile. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the edit icon. Now tap on the copy icon next to your profile link. After copying the link, go back to the Facebook app. Then tap on your profile from the top left corner. Next, select the edit profile button. Scroll all the way down to the contact info section. From there, tap on social media option. Then tap on add button. A list of different social media platforms will appear. Select TikTok from the menu. Paste the link you copied earlier in the text box. After that, tap on the next button at the top right corner. Finally, tap on the save button to apply the changes. And that's how you can add TikTok link to Facebook profile.